Hi there, Indian 12th Science Biology students. Are you considering studying abroad and building a career outside of India? Here are some exciting options you could consider. Medicine. Studying medicine abroad can lead to a rewarding career as a doctor or healthcare professional. Countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia offer top-notch medical programs and opportunity for international students. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is an innovative field which combines biology and technology to develop new products and solutions. Studying biotechnology abroad can lead to a career in research and development of pharmaceuticals and more. Environmental science. If you are passionate about protecting the planet and preserving natural resources, studying environmental science abroad could be a great option. Many countries have top universities with excellent programs in this field. Genetics. Genetics is a fascinating field that explores the study of genes, DNA, and heredity. Study genetics abroad can lead to careers in research and healthcare in biotechnology. Remember, study abroad can be a great opportunity for all of you, but choosing a right career which align with your goals should be there. And you can always contact us to help you with this. Thank you.